What is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. My name is Cash Like Money, and this is a weekly vlog. Before we get into the weekly vlog, don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can be a part of the glam fam. And as always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be linked in on my newest content. Let's get into the vlog.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Make sure you're line-handed with this tweezer, so like you can feel on yourself the pressure, because it's gonna hurt. But you got tape, so you need to feel on yourself how hard you're pressing. If you're pressing like that, you'll know that's the right. If you're pressing like this, that's too much.
Yeah, just stick on this
Yeah, so just make sure you test your pressure on yourself and don't go too harder than what you would allow for yourself.
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know, I might hurt myself.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. You have my heart, we'll never be worlds apart. Maybe in magazines, but you still be my star, baby. 'Cause in the dark, you can't see shiny cars, and that's when you need me there. With you, I'll always share. Because when the sun shines, we shine together. Told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll always be your friend. Took an oath that I'm stick it out till the end. Now that it's raining more than ever, know that we still have each other. You can stand under my umbrella. You can stand under my umbrella. Ella, ella, eh, 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 under my umbrella. Ella, ella, eh, 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 under my umbrella. Ella, ella, eh, 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 under my umbrella. Ella,
Alright guys, that was my weekly vlog. I hope that you loved and enjoyed my vlog. My mask is for sale on my website. I will link that in the description box down below so you can order yours from my website, my Etsy store. And then my nails, Nabis, she did them. I will link her Instagram down below, and I'll put her Instagram right here. She did them. She is expensive but worth it. My nails do last 4 weeks, so I don't have to go in for a fill for another 4 weeks. Absolutely love it. She did Valentine's Day nails, so if you're in the Milwaukee area and you're looking for a really great high quality nail tech, I highly recommend her. I'll put that information again in the description bar. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can be a part of the Glam fam, as always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be linked in on my newest content. Let me know if you like these weekly vlogs. It's a new series on my channel that I started doing. If you like them and you're interested in them, let me know. All right, so I don't have anything else to say. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting my channel and for supporting me. Love you.